I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria, and today I'm going to be answering a quick question that I get all the time. Should I refuse the breath test if I'm stopped for a drinking and driving case? I have made a couple videos about this, and I'm getting better at making the answer shorter and more concise, so let's try this one more time. We've got a drinking holiday coming up. As a criminal defense lawyer, I'm constantly asked, Aaron, if I've been drinking and I'm stopped for a DUI, should I take the breath test? First off, don't drink and drive. Second, if you find yourself in that sticky situation, when you are initially stopped by the police, you're not under arrest just yet. There's going to be an investigation. Part of that investigation is going to be a preliminary breath test. This is typically a handheld device. It's done before you're arrested. You can think of it this way. It's preliminary to your arrest. If you refuse this test, you're looking at a $200 fine. It's not a crime, doesn't show up on your driving record. 9 times out of 10, I would recommend that you refuse this test. Just because you refuse this test doesn't mean you won't get arrested, but it certainly gives your attorney more ammunition to fight the case in court. Now, you might still get arrested, and if you get arrested, the next test that the officer is gonna have you do could be blood or breath. If it's blood, it's usually gonna be at a hospital. If it's breath, it's usually gonna be at the station. That is the implied consent test. Refusing that test results in 6 points going on your driver's license, and you're gonna lose your license for a full year. If you refuse that test, most of the time, the police are just going to get a warrant anyways. So it's really not worth the hassle to refuse it. Refuse the preliminary breath test. If you still get arrested, agree to the implied consent test. 9 times out of 10, that's going to be my recommendation. If you've been charged with a crime, call me today. I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria, and I can be reached at 734-453-7806, or shoot me an email at borialaw@gmail.com. I'm happy to fight for you. Stay safe out there. Don't drink and drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe.